Hi guys, today in this video I will show you how to optimize BlueStacks 5 using GPU optimization. So let's start. The first step is to use dedicated GPU. To do this, first open your emulator. Once it is opened, open its setting. And in the setting in the graphics center setting, scroll down to prefer dedicated GPU and then save the changes and restart the emulator. The step number 2 is graphics setting. To do this, search for graphics setting in the search bar. Once it is visible, open it. Scroll for BlueStacks there. I have already done it, but I will show you how to do it. Just click on browse button and open the BlueStacks emulator from there. And in the options, set it to high performance. Just like I have done. The next step is power and sleep setting. To do this, in the search bar, search for power and sleep setting and open it. Once it is opened, click on additional power setting. And in the additional power setting, set it to high performance, or if you have ultimate performance mode, check it to ultimate performance. The last step is compatibility setting. To do this, right click on your BlueStacks icon and open its properties. In the properties, open compatibility and run this program as an administrator. And override high application and set it to application, and then apply it and then OK it. And this was all. Hope this will be helpful. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks.